In the exercise that will follow this tutorial, I will ask you to answer a few questions regarding plants, materials, and vendors based on a simple report in SQL Developer. So now I will show you how to open the report and how to work with it. So first of all, you will be given a link to the file that you will need to download. So first, click on the link to open the file. That opens an XML file. You really don't need to understand its contents. Just save it somewhere, let's say on your desktop. The name of the file should be vendor material plant report.xml. Okay. After saving the file, you can close the tab and switch to the SQL Developer. In the SQL Developer, on the bottom left corner, you will find a Reports tab. Find the last item there, which is called User-Defined Reports. User-Defined Reports. Right-click on it and click on Open Report. Then navigate to the location where you saved the report. So I've saved it in the desktop, and therefore I will find it there. Select Vendor Material Plant Report XML, and it shows up under User-Defined Reports here afterwards. To access the report, double-click on it. This will require you to log in if you haven't already logged in. The report that is shown then contains 3 columns: vendor, material, and plant. And unless you sort it, the records appear in no particular order. But you can sort the report in by any of these columns. You just need to point to the arrows at the column name and double-click the arrow. And so now this report is sorted by vendor. If I want to sort it by plant or by material, if I want it sorted by material, I could do the same with the material column, and then the records are sorted by the order of the material. I can also search the report for a specific value. For instance, if I'm looking for plant number LV60, I can execute Control F, and that brings this dialog box where I can specify what I'm looking for. LV60. And then press Enter, and that will highlight the record with LV60 in it. And to go to the next record with this item, I can just keep pressing Enter. And once I reach the last item, last record with LV60, it will stop progressing to the next record. So to summarize, this report shows vendors that are associated with materials and plants. So for example, a record that is selected designates that vendor 3061-299 supplies material EDN 370 to plant GJ90. Remember that this interface also allows you to search and to sort the records. This concludes the demonstration. You can proceed with the next item on your task list.